Welcome back to Karen Uptop Kitchen. How you mean? Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do now? I have a whole lot of chicken to fry. I already cleaned these chickens, so I'm going to wash them. Look, oh my God, look how much stuff came out the chicken. Nasty. So you have to really skim your chicken and clean your chicken really. Right now I'm going to cut some lime and make sure I just put it in my water for these chicken, and I just squeeze out some juice. I just use lime and vinegar at the same time. So good. And I'm going to use about 2 cups of vinegar and I measure. All right, then I just cold water and put these in. Okay, over here now, this is what I'm going to use to season the chicken. Just some little abdo, and I'm going to do spicy fried chicken. So definitely my pepper. So I'm going to use my liquid pepper, my abdo, my black pepper, my garlic powder, and my sazon. This season give the chicken a nice flavor, also a nice color. So that's what I'm going to do. So let her go and wash it now. Because I'm frying the chicken, that is why I leave the skin on, you know, because give it flavor. The skin give the chicken a nice flavor. So this look here, and the chicken no good. I already finished washing the chicken now, so I'm going to put all my seasoning in it. So the first thing, you go for this bad boy here, real cayenne pepper, liquid cayenne pepper. So you know what happened now? Oh yeah, pour it in. You know what happens? I want to use that is like half a cup, right? Because it depends how spicy I like it. My kids, them like it real spicy. Okay? This no measure. You just sprinkle away. This is the salt. I don't use salt, so I just use this as salt. So salt and season at the same time. Okay, then they want to use a little black pepper, which is a must. You use a black pepper. Then this sprinkle away. Okay? No measurement. And you know you have to have your garlic powder. Okay, so now you're going to use your sazon. Why I using 6 of these small little, because they're individual. So I use 6 of them. Why I'm using 6 of them? Because this is like a 20-pound of chicken. So I use 6 just to get the color, because it's small packages. So I just use around 6 of them to get a nice golden flavor. It do. No. So here we go now. Going to rub everything, marinate everything in everything. So we're marinating it. See? Yeah, so listen, look at this now. Very good, right? Yeah, so cover this and marinate it for overnight. So after tomorrow now, I'll fry it. So my chicken is ready for tomorrow, okay? Welcome back to Kerine's Uptop kitchen. Now so what happened now? This is marinated enough now. This is the next day. So we're going to fry all this chicken. So I choose to use a heavy, very heavy cast iron pan. So I'm going to use a whole lot of oil. The amount of oil I'm using, that the chicken to swim in the oil. So that's good. So the chicken will be swimming in the oil because you need a golden brown chicken. Okay? It's okay. Meantime the oil is there heating up, I could season my flour. I have to season my flour, and I don't use eggs. I use baking powder, and I season my flour also with the Uptop and a pack of salt. This is 6 cups. I'm using 6 cups because the amount of flour chicken I'm frying. So, and I'm going to use also 6 spoons. 6 cups, 6 spoons, 6 tablespoons. Mina measure. Right? Are 6 that yet? Okay, and I'm going to use adobo, and I'm going to use 1 pack because I already put so much on the chicken. So this is to season my flour. Okay, so I'm going to mix everything now together. So this is the chicken. So I'm going to put the chicken over here. This is marinated from last night. So you see, I don't use no eggs. So I guess the oil is hot. Let me check it. I think that is how I check it. Okay, so the first piece gonna go in now. See? Yes, it's hot, bubbling away. See, no eggs. Coming out with golden brown colors. Nice. Yeah. So I consider this to cook for 5 minutes on each side. So that's how I give it, because it really has to soak. So I let it cook for around 5 minutes, see, on each side. So I'm going to turn them now. See, nice golden brown. See, yeah. And I'm going to let it cook maybe for another 5 minutes. I think it's another 5 minutes will do it. Okay, they're all finished here. Dog chicken, which is the leg and the thigh. So each time I think dog chicken has to cook much better and longer than white meat. So these are dog meat. So I make sure I have paper for the grease whenever time You see my color I'm talking about? My golden brown color. Okay, so I'm going to do my second batch. Okay, finally finished. This is the finished look. Spicy fried chicken, no eggs. Okay, this is it. See? My spicy fried chicken. So you know what happened? You know I have to taste piece of my own cooking. Okay, for you guys. Alright, so it's matter what no fork. Want to see how tender it is and how crispy it is, right? So here it is now. Here I go. Oh, looking good, right? This is a part of the chicken thigh. Oh, crunchy. See? Look at it. Juicy. Just ripping another bite. Juicy, crunchy, spicy. Chicken thigh. Look. So juicy. Yeah. Tender. Yeah.